Hello and welcome to a new topic, difference with examples or difference between standard English and non-standard English with examples. Let's talk about this. What is the difference between the two, standard English and non-standard English? Standard English, its language is normally formal, as in this example, good morning, how are you? While non-standard English, its language is informal. The same you can say like, hey, all right. We continue our discussion, standard English and non-standard English. This one is polite style or tone, as in the example, could you close the door please? And in a non-standard English way, close the door. So its tone is a bit unfriendly. We continue our discussion about standard English and non-standard English. Basically, standard English follows a standard rule of grammar, like I wish I were a bird. Every component of grammar is followed in the standard English, while we notice variations in the use of grammar in non-standard English. Like sometimes you just don't care about the grammatical pattern or the rule. Like in this example, I wish I was a bird. Instead of were, here it is was. And I think that is not the right way of using language. We continue our ideas with the standard English and non-standard English. Standard English follows correct spelling pattern. Of course, like tonight is a correct spelling, but non-standard English, incorrect spelling. They just don't care. It's okay. So long as you can understand it, you can communicate, that's okay, without caring about the spelling. As you can notice in this example, tonight, so there is a spelling mistake. We continue with the same idea about standard English and non-standard English. Fewer contracted words are found in standard English, like you are, we would, but in non-standard English, most of the time we use lots of contracted words, like you are, we would, I'll, his, she's, and so on. We continue our ideas, standard English and non-standard English. No slang. In standard English, there is no scope for using slang. So we just have the full expression like going to. But in non-standard English, we have lots of slang. Gonna. That's all we have. Thank you and goodbye.